Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you do any kind of content creating or need to record your voice and need clear, crisp sound, you got to check out this set of wireless lavalier mics that I got from HEHOTTC. So all around me right now, there's a lot of noise. I have an airplane up above. There is bird noises. There's even construction being done over here. Also notice how far I am away from my phone. This is fabulous also because where I live, we get a ton of wind. So there's this little pom-pom on top of my microphone that gives me wind reduction. That is a huge essential for me. Also, this set comes with two mics. So if you want to do a tag team video with a friend, you can do both of them at the same time.
Hello.
Hey, it's Gina, and that's my husband.
Hello there.
We're using two mics at the same time. This is a plug-and-play system that comes with Lightning and USB-C adapters. Now, I have an iPhone 14 with Lightning adapter, and I found that in order to get the lavalier mics to work for me, I had to remove my case and then hard press the power button on the receiver for 8 seconds. Once that happened and the transmitter stopped blinking blue, my connection was perfect. So if you're looking for a set of wireless lavalier mics, you should check out this set that I got, and that's my point of view.